Hello, it's Wednesday, Farm Update 5 from Hilltop Farm, the model farm. Today we're prepared. You might be wondering why all these tractors are sitting in. We're putting up lights. Well, there's going to be a tractor run tomorrow, so we're just preparing. Sam's putting lights on his tractor. I'm putting lights on my roof, and the boss is putting some lights on his tractor. Maisie's going to be taking her tractor out, but she's away picking up lights for her tractor. Here's Maisie away in the pickup to go and pick up her lights from shop in the town. Farmer's just taking back his new combine now. He's bought it, he's just been signing up the paperwork. He quite likes it. Big combine. As you can see, we've got new road surface down to the horse stables. The horse is away doing some jumps. A worker at the dealership just rearranging the class Jaguar 960. Here I've been just playing about with this mechano thing. Can go forwards and press the switch at the back that puts it in backwards. Just thought I'd show you that, it looks quite cool. That is it from me and the cows today. Please like and subscribe and look out for the tractor run tomorrow. Bye.